X, Y and Z axis is possible now as well. It automatically snaps to the axis. Or you can now extrude a sub-D from out of a curve directly to build up your first shapes, which makes the sub-D creation workflow similar like in Alias. With Dynamo and especially with a new player, you have the possibility to create functions and tools that are not even existing in Alias. Or you can build up scripts that can execute and automate a row of commands, which could save you much time in your process. We also ship Alias with more Dynamo sample scripts, like the new tire script, which now includes treads on the tire. So you can create a complex NURBS tire with treads just by using some sliders and click on Create. Also a holes and fillet tool, which creates a hole, a fillet and can place a screw in one go. These examples also give you a good collection to start your own scripts and commands to find out how computational design can help you in your design process and create maybe also your own tools. We also did UI improvements, like changes to the transform handle, where you can switch from global to local transform directly within the viewport.